how to use One WhatsApp on two smartphones. If you want more videos and tutorials like this, please subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell icon on for more videos like this. So what we're going to do is head on to your Play Store and search for WhatsApp. So just make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. So once you have seen that WhatsApp is updated, just go onto your WhatsApp, and in the other phone just put on your number and click on that three dot icon, and you must click on link devices, and you will see a QR code for this one. And once you are in your other phone, the original one, just click on the three dots as well, as you can see here on our WhatsApp, and go to link devices and link a device. So once you are here, just scan the QR code that was given earlier. And once you have scanned the QR code that was given earlier, you should be able to log into your next account, or the next device rather. So thank you for watching, guys, and I hope this helps you, and see you on the next video.